After months of travel, testing, and interviews, here we are. This is it, the final episode of our 10-part series exploring China's rise in the new energy vehicle industry. When we began this journey, the mission was clear: uncover the truth behind the multi-billion-dollar revolution shaking the global automotive world. From micro factories, or we'll call them now mega factories, to, well, you see it, flying cars. This is the most comprehensive look at China's NEV industry that has ever been made. Cyrus Jansen.
Everybody, such a pleasure to see you, Alex.
Thank you.
And it's great to be here at XPeng Aero Holt. And guys, I've been watching the series. This is amazing. Alex, love the work you're doing. What an honor to be here. And what an honor to cover the EV industry, because I tell you, the future of the world is being invented right here in China.
Well, we visited Chang'an's top space in Chongqing, test drove the futuristic E07, a vehicle blurring the lines between the SUV truck and, of course, well, you can see spaceships. With its head-turning design, it felt like direct challenge to, wow, something similar to Tesla's Cybertruck. That's even here in China.
今天的话，就由我来带大家去体验一下我们这款全球首款可变形态的一个 SUV 长安启源107。然后这款车的话，因为我们搭载了一个空气悬架，然后可以调节咱们底盘的一个高低，把底盘调低的话，就可以变成我们的这个轿跑的一个形态。然后我们把底盘调高的话，就可以应对我们一些城市需要越野的一些路况。
Now, we're going to go look at some of the unique features that this car, this SUV, or this truck has.
Our collaboration with global leading partners enable us to develop a digital intelligent manufacturing ecosystem. This approach allows us to produce high-quality, technologically advanced vehicles like the E07. We have widely applied advanced technologies such as 5G, AI, and digital twins. So the factory's manufacturing efficiency has increased by 20%, but the costs have been reduced by 20%. On average, a new vehicle rolls off the production line every 60 seconds.
Well, Cyrus, we just watched the Chang'an E07, huge company. You've been all over China. We're here in Guangzhou. What's your thoughts of this market?
You know, Alex, again, I think the thoughts of the market is that the future is being invented here. And what's incredible is every year I come back to China, I see more and more green license plates on the roads. It's completely changed not only the industry, but also the entire future of the country. Less pollution, more convenience, more technology. It really is changing the world.
Avatar is a collaboration between Chang'an Automobile, the battery giant CATL, and the leading ICT solution suppliers that provide advanced technological and components.
It's the design philosophy to create a futuristic design. There's no real window if you take note. So our first two models, the Avatar 11 and F12 actually is we call the brown shaper, right? Very fashion and very pioneer design. But finally, we decided to need to have mainstream model. So this Avatar 07 is our intention is to have this model competing with Tesla Model Y.
It's best that we get in the car and do a test drive right now.
各位可以看到，我站到了一个最左边的一个车道，但是导航功能当中，我们前面要绕过这一点，我不会干预任何的方向盘，然后脚趾轻踩在我们刹车上，作为接管，车辆会自动的辅助它驾驶辅助到我们的正确的一个道路线上。
2025年我们将覆盖50个国家和地区，冲击1.5万台的销量目标。2026年我们将继续进入欧洲市场。
Cyrus, we're talking about the battery swapping technology.
For sure.
Now, does that change the way you think maybe some people that have this battery anxiety issues from North America, like this battery ain't going to get me from A to B?
Yeah.
Do you think that will make a difference?
I think it will, Alex, because already the ranges are so big on, especially on these Chinese EVs,
Yeah.
right? I mean, you can go up to 600 kilometers. I mean, honestly, that's already pretty good. But now that you add in the battery swapping technology, I think what it does is it's more convenient, because sometimes you might have, instead of having to charge for 40 minutes, do a quick charge. I mean, it's less than 5 minutes. By the time you get a snack and go to the bathroom, your battery is ready to go.
NIO is a pioneer in the electric vehicle EV industry, blending high-quality performance technology, luxury design, and innovative services.
ET9的话，就有我们的天行主动悬架，以及我们的后轮转向，以及我们的中国第一台认证了的线控转向技术。未来的整体的采用的这种换电模式。换电模式现在也算是全球第一个真正把换电的这样的一个技术运用在我们的那个电车上面的。好，我们倒好了以后停下来，
很棒。
好，它就会有一个自己的提示，我们就点这个拨入换电。好，拨入换了以后，我就全部松掉了，它就一切就是自己的。对，一切就是自己的。
Autonomously, the car is actually backed in, and you see on the screen here,
对。
just like this here. And let's start the timer now. We're going to be at about 11:21 by the time we get started. And here it starts. Remember when we came in, we were around the 11-minute 21-ish mark, and we're at about 11:23 now. I think within seconds here, we're going to be able to drive out. From battery swaps to luxury interiors, NIO proved China's EVs aren't just catching up, they're actually creating new categories, and that is exciting. We are in the Chongqing BYD battery factory here. Now, this is a massive company of almost 1 million employees, and of course, over 100,000 in R&D. It's a game changer in BYD's rise. What made it really popular was its Blade battery. Famed for its ultra safety, long life, and low cost.
我们今年比亚迪整个集团的话，在年初就发布了我们的一个叫做天神之眼的这个自驾系统。我们比亚迪目前所有的车叫做全民自驾，今年所有的车型全部搭载这个天神之眼，在全国的道路都可以开。
BYD, absolutely impressive. Well, now on to Ito 9. What a special day that was. They rolled out the red carpet for us. With 151,000 units delivered, this company's proved one thing. Chinese luxury has arrived. In the Gulf, pre-orders are rising fast, especially after Ito's breakthrough moment at the major international auto shows. Okay, we're on the test track here. The tarmac is baking hot. Gonna test out the braking system here. Boss, which one, boss? Wait, I'm ready. Cross your fingers. Let's go. Whoa. Oh. I'm glad it works. Wow, this is the autonomous emergency braking system magic. Worked perfect.
在中东，我们可能今年的 GCC 几个像沙特、阿联酋，包括卡塔尔，可能是我们优先要考虑的地方。
What makes Ito stand out isn't just the tech, it's how seamlessly they fuse innovation with elegance. Their vehicles offer zero gravity seats, AI voice control, massive touchscreens, and The ride so smooth, it turns daily driving into a sanctuary. Their advanced ADS 3.3 system uses LiDAR and AI to handle anything from navigating packed cities to powering through sandstorms with precision. It's China's top-selling SUV with LiDAR, AI systems, and German rivaling interior design. Well, we also found out one of the most expensive components of these cars are batteries. Today, we are attending the opening of the brand new and one-of-a-kind Ning Space, covering an area of over 13,800 square meters. This is a comprehensive display of the latest new energy vehicles here in Chengdu. I've just walked into this place. Yep. I know this is all about batteries. Very, very expensive part of an automobile, right? I would say one of the most expensive parts of an automobile.
So we have two kinds of batteries here.
Yeah.
One is called Shenxing,
okay,
and one is called Chilling. And Chilling, so with Chilling batteries is equipped at most of the models.
Okay.
So we provide over 100 models in Europe.
Okay.
And with over 40 brands.
Right.
And with this Shenxing battery, it's super fast charge.
1 in every 3 EV vehicles worldwide uses their batteries. CATL is an energy storage specialist focusing on large-scale industrial energy storage and the world's biggest battery maker. After 10 years of pioneering R&D, CATL is unlocking the future. The sodium-ion battery ready for commercial production this June, powered by nanotechnology so advanced it feels like science fiction made real. Now, what totally blew my mind here was the FreeVoid dual-powered battery by CATL. It's giving us some choices here, the NCM, the LFP, and the NA, and we can basically kind of format it the way we want in the future. We will also unlock the triple power, quadruple power, and more possibilities, and usher in a new multi-power area with true energy freedom. These batteries work like a team together, switching power sources intelligently to give you the best of all worlds. It's amazing. We learned why the battery giant dominates the world with new sodium breakthroughs. CATL are not just a beating heart, they are part of the NEV future. And then we proceeded to DPAL. Built on Chang'an's SDA architecture and powered by a game-changing LFP blade batteries, DPAL's EVs combine performance and practicality in one way few brands can match. And with a Huawei on board for autonomous tech, DPAL is fully locked in on the future of smart driving. Inside this beautiful vehicle, you get the comfort of first-class cabin, a giant OLED screen. They're amazing ambient lighting, and get this, a 43-inch AR heads-up display, and even a fridge. So right there, Jen, we have, you see, this is the thing I'm trying to explain to our North American audience, that these cars actually have safety features that make cars safer than what traditional cars are in North America. I mean, having the ability to not have to move, to turn off things just on voice command it frees you up to pay attention to the road.
Yes, it will cause less distraction.
The S09 is equipped with Huawei's ADS 3.3 system, giving it a level 2.5 semi-autonomy and city-level assistant driving that already outpaces most of the market. Well, that was amazing. This is China's making of EVs accessible to many people because of the price range. It's also sophisticated and, well, I would say it's ready for the global market. Think Chinese cars are all about affordability? Think again. Today, we step into the future of luxury mobility with Zeekr. It's bold, it's electric, and it's coming for the global premium market. Let's go. Launched in 2021 as a high-end EV sub-brand of Geely, Zeekr isn't here to follow. It's actually here to lead. Inside this showroom, every detail speaks of intent.
我们主要采用的是用我们激光雷达的整套混合方案，全车的感应器包括了我们的哨兵模式，开启了侧方位的一个摄像头，以及我们的毫米波雷达，还有包括 ACC 的雷达，实现整个车辆的一个辅助驾驶以及我们的一个智能化提高了整个车的主动安全性。
Wow, we're in the Zeekr 009 going for the test drive.
我们采用了2颗英伟达 All-in X 508 TOPS 的一个算力，激光雷达和那个英伟达芯片的这样的一个组合，以及车身整个28克的一个传感器，不单纯的是视觉方案，在城市间那个通勤的话也是非常有保障的。
And then we went to XPeng. I visited the company first at the Zhuhai Air Show, which is held every couple of years in the city of Zhuhai. With the low-altitude flying car, it's no longer a dream. It's licensed, tested, and it's real. Okay? And sitting inside it was like touching the future.
So basically, this is our first production about the flying car. And our company, our job is to freedom to fly, right? So this is our first step. So basically, you can see this is a hybrid, like a vehicle that we can carry this thing, which you can see there,
right?
The flying kit.
Wow.
In the trunk. And then our scenario is once you have this car, we can go to like somewhere outside the city or some flying camp. And then we go drive to there and fly away, like about 20 minutes.
Amazing.
And we have a 2 driving system. So our vehicle is basically a hybrid system. So we have the gasoline, but also is electric.
So we have 2 options.
Yes.
That's handy.
Because the main point is our vehicle is not just a normal vehicle. We need to charge this flying kit also.
Right.
So with the gasoline power, we can charge the flying kit like 6 times.
Now, after hosting 10-part series of new energy vehicles, I finally understand something. The real engine behind China's NEV boom isn't just lithium or AI, it's the engine of collaboration. A deep collaboration between private enterprise and public strategy, between city planners and dreamers, between manufacturers and users. Quite simple, right? Well, Chongqing doesn't wait for the future to arrive, it actually builds it. And it builds it really well. And that vision is only accelerating. And just when you think the story is complete, it writes a new chapter. Next week, I'll attend the 2025 World Smart Industry Expo held right here in Chongqing, Lianjiang New Area from September 5th to the 8th, 2025. This just isn't another trade fair. This is a national stage, a bold showcase of China's latest breakthroughs in artificial intelligence and, you heard it again, new energy vehicles. It's also a symbol of the city's commitment to the spirit of China's digital development goals and the 20th National Congress. Expect exhibits not just on cars and chips, that's right, but AI-powered logistics, smart elderly care systems, low-altitude logistics, and ethics of artificial intelligence. Hosting this 10-part series has been one of the greatest privileges of my life. It's taught me not just how electric vehicles are built, but how entire ecosystems are engineered with precision, with ambition, and above all, with collaboration. Here, I witnessed how public vision and private innovation work together in harmony, not in opposition. This is what the future looks like when a city and a nation decide to lead.
As we wrap this groundbreaking series, we leave not with an ending, but a beginning. Because China's new energy vehicle revolution isn't just about dominating roads, it's about what's next.
It's going to be interesting, Cyrus.
It sure will.
See what the future brings us, because wherever the future drives us, we're going to be there. Thanks for joining us, Cyrus Jansen.
Great. Alex Reportify. Thank you, guys.